Hello viewer, welcome to Automation. In this video, I'll show you how to make a text-to-speech video with video subtitles. So let me play a sample video of what I'm about to show you in this video tutorial. So here's the video.
Hello, welcome to Automation. In this video, I will show you how to make a text-to-speech video with video subtitles.
Okay guys, so as you can see, this is a video with a background video, and it has a text-to-speech with a subtitle. So let's get started. Before I get started, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's go guys. On your web browser, go to clipchamp.com. I'm going to drop the link in the description section below. So when you go to clipchamp.com, click on try for free. So if you click on try for free, it's going to take you to this environment where you need to select your preferred sign up method. You can sign up with an email, you can sign up with your Gmail, or you can also sign up with your Microsoft account. Now note that Clipchamp work on only Chrome browser, Edge browser, or UC browser. So I tried it on Firefox, it did not work, so take note of that. So let's continue. So when you sign up, it's going to take you to this environment like this. When you sign up and log in, it's going to take you to this environment. So click on try it, because what we are working on is text to speech. So under text to speech, click on try it. So it's going to open this environment, editor's environment. Scroll down and click on text to speech under create. So here you have your text-to-speech environment where you can start working on your text-to-speech. So I'm going to go to Microsoft Word and copy this write-up, exact write-up I used to create the sample video I just showed you. So under text on your right hand side, paste the write-up there. So you can format your writing for clearer view, like spaces. So you keep your spaces. Now mind you, if you open this environment, so let me collapse this so I'll show you what I mean. If you open this environment and that text to speech window or interface did not open automatically, so on your top right you'll see text to speech. Just click it to collapse it. So it's going to collapse the text to speech. Now let me start from the top to explain. You can see the language by default is English, United States. So it's going to select the language your computer is using, and that will be the default language that will always be shown to you. So you can collapse the language. They have several languages here. So you can see they have Afrikaans, South Africa, and under English there are different types of English. So if you scroll down to English, let me start from here. So you can see they have English Australia, English with the Canada diction, English with Hong Kong diction, English with India diction, and so many English Singapore, English South Africa. So they even have English Nigeria in case you are from Nigeria. So both in all the English version, they have the male and the female version. So let's stick to English United States. So when you choose the English United States, you can now select voices, and under English United States there are several voices, both male and female voice. And also under the male and female voices, you can have cheerful voice, warm voice, gentle voice, friendly voice. So I'm going to start with this under other multilingual. So if you over it, you can see cheerful, warm, gentle, and friendly. So let's hear this voice. Okay, so you are not going to hear this voice because I did not set the recorder to record my system. So you can go ahead and preview the voice to hear the voice yourself. So let's continue. So after that, what you need to do is to collapse this advanced now. So once you collapse the advanced, under the vocal pitch, you can select default, extra low, low, medium, high, extra high. Go ahead and preview them to know which one suits you. Now under pace, pace is the rate at which the speech goes. If you put it at 0.5x, this is the slowest. If you put it at 2x, this is the fastest. So I always prefer putting it at 1x, which is the middle and the default. Now if you want a little bit slower so that people can really listen to what the video is saying, you can put it in between 0.5 to 1. So go ahead and preview the voice and select the one that best suits you. So under text, let me tell you the basic things you need to know about the text. If you put a comma, hello, comma, there will be a break, just like the way you speak. Welcome to automation with a full stop. So once there's a full stop there's a break. So take note that a comma and a full stop indicate break. So if you don't put a full stop, the speech is just gonna continue. So after that, you preview your text to speech, your voice. Then when you're done, you click on save. And when you click on save, it's gonna reflect here in the editing environment. It's still buffering, so don't mind buffering. It's gonna reflect here in the editing environment. So here is it right now. So as you can see, our text to speech video is, let's see, it's 25 minutes. So I can make it more longer by reducing the speed of the speech. Sorry, 25 seconds, 25.17 seconds. So I can reduce it by reducing the pace of the speech. So if I click save, it's going to go higher from 25 seconds to maybe 26 seconds. So here is it now. It was 25 seconds and it's now 29 seconds. So because I reduced the speed of the speech, that's the pace of the speech. So let's continue. So after that, you can also preview the speech here so like I said, I did not record my computer sound, so you are not going to hear it. So go ahead and do that. So when you do that, the next thing is for you to add a video library in case you want to add either a video or an image, but I always prefer adding a still video. So go ahead and click on content library on the left, and under visual select videos. Now there are so many things you can select: annotations, shapes, stickers, images, background. So I always go with video, so go ahead and select what suits you. Now under video there are different ones. Like I said, Clipchamp is free. It's free, but for you to get some of the videos you need to upgrade. Now when you see this gold or diamond icon on a particular video, you know that you have to pay for it. Now the videos, the visuals, they are segmented, so you can see subscribe panel in case you want to put a subscription video. You can see intros and outros, cinematography and media, beach and ocean. So let me use beach and ocean. So in order for you to select only the free videos, so click here under filter and select free only. So when you do that, you now have access to only the free. So I'm going to select this, what I use in the sample video. Click on the plus icon. So it's here now, so drag it to the beginning. Drag it to the beginning of the video. That was because the cursor was at that place where the video started. So as you can see, this video is 16 seconds. That's a 16 seconds video. So while the video length itself is 29 seconds, that's to say you can either duplicate this video or add another video. I can go ahead and add this other video that is 12 seconds by just clicking on the plus sign, add to timeline. so you drag it to the end. Now you can also add effect. When you drag to the end, take your mouse cursor in between, you see add a transition effect. Once you click on the plus icon, it's going to open up the transition panel where you can select the kind of transition effect you want. So here you can see different type. You can see crossfade, you can see fade through, you can see fade through white, black and white. You scroll down, you can see wipe down, wipe up, wipe left, wipe right. So select whichever one you want. So you can also select the duration of the transition, maybe 1 second, 2 seconds, or 1.5 seconds, and the rest. So let's proceed. Scroll down. Now as you can see, the video is 29.3, while the total video length is 29.3. so it has completed the video. Our background is now complete, so we can go ahead and add the subtitle. So when you want to add subtitle, on the top right, click on CC Captions. So you are going to see this generate auto captions with AI. Click on try now. So it's going to say quickly and easily turn on auto caption. So you select the language you want to use and you click on transcribe media. In case you have profanity and offensive language, you can click on here to filter it, but in my own case I don't have any offensive language, so I'll go ahead and click on transcribe media. So it's gonna take few seconds or minutes depending on the length of your speech to generate the subtitle. So you can see 2 minutes left, and within few seconds it's gonna be completed. So here is it. Our subtitle is now complete. Now you have to go through the subtitle, because sometimes the subtitle may not really transcribe your speech, because the subtitle is transcribing from the speech, not from the write-up you pasted into Clipchamp. So as you can see, hello, welcome to How to Mason. Now there's a mistake in Mason spelling because that's not what I pasted, so I can go ahead and remove the space between how to and join the two to the how. Now depending on the speed of your computer, this process can be a bit slower. When the video subtitle has completely loaded, click on the subtitle on the video, so you can drag it to any position you want. So I usually put mine in the middle of the video. So then you can now edit the subtitle. You can change the font type, change the font size, and change the font color. So currently it's slow, so let me just wait until when it comes up so I can show you. I think it's from my PC, so I need to change or upgrade my RAM. So here now you can change the font size from 22 pixel to 40 pixel. You can as well change the font type from Open Sans. You can also make it bold. You can change the color. So when you're done and you know everything is okay, so go ahead and export the video by clicking on export. So here there are some gaps. In between the videos. The background videos are added. So if you want to fix the background, go ahead and click fix. So delete all visual gaps in between the background video that was added. So once you do that, so that's the good thing of Clipchamp, by the way. It's gonna tell you how to automatically fix any error in your video. So you can select 720p, you can select 1080p. Now for the 4K is for the premium version. Select 720p and your export will start, and the export time depends on the length of your video. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel so you get notified whenever I drop a video like this. So once your export is completed, you have the option to save the video into your device. Now the export is starting. This is 2%, depending, like I said, depending on the length of your video. That's how the export time will be. So thanks guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.